Welcome to Aldridge, and this opportunity just behind me is going to be perfect for a new family. We've got 4 good-sized double bedrooms, 2 with en-suites. Downstairs we've got 2 reception rooms plus an open plan kitchen dining space. As well as that, we've got a spacious double garage that could be quite easily converted into additional living space. Now welcome to number 1 Hayfield Grove. As you can see, this modern detached family home offers so much space for a family to grow into, and we're situated on a private development of just 9 homes that overlook fields to the back. So if you'd like to arrange your own private appointment, please contact me in the details below. I'm Jack from the Avenue. I look forward to you joining me here soon.